What's going on, everybody? Soldiaker here, and this is at the commissioners meeting at Clearwater, Florida. And this is the new chief, Eric Gandy. And I'm going to give you a little context here in just a minute. But we were there, and we were peacefully redressing our grievances. And there was John Felix, there was Hillsborough County Cop Watch, Eyes on the State. We had Ragamonkey. We had Florida Cop Watch. A lot of these links will be all in the description. Everybody that was there, I'll put their link in the description. And we all just went out there and we redressed our grievances peacefully. And yeah, let's get into this video. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. And you know the deal. Soldiaker, deuces.
To all our new recruits. We know you'll have a great career. All right, next we have the swearing in of Chief Eric Gandy.
Every person on this panel has sworn an oath to the Constitution to defend my right. If they can't defend my right, who's going to defend my right?
Man, your time is up.
Don't be a bootlicker. Why? You can go ahead and suck their boot all you want, bud. I don't care. Every one of these people up here swore an oath to defend my right.
You're welcome to be,
I know.
be quiet, but your time's up.
I'm leaving, dude.
You
Dude,
said that your
shut
5
up,
seconds
dude.
was all you wanted was 5
Why you?
seconds.
Let's go. Hey, you're putting your hands on me,
It's time
sir.
to go.
I'm leaving.
They've asked you to
You don't
go.
have to push me, dude. You did the same thing your other officers did.
Time to go.
You put your hands on me
Told your
once
time is
again.
up. It's time to
Set
go.
up your
You're
5
the chief
seconds,
of
you
you're
were
the chief
done.
of police, and your officer. What's your name and badge number?
It's Deputy
What?
Chief Eric Gandy of the Clearwater Police.
Yeah, I'm walking backwards. I'm not.
Asked to
I'm
leave. It's time to leave.
leaving.
You've made
But
your
you're a
point.
tyrant.
I, Eric Gandy, do solemnly swear
that I will support, protect, and defend
that I will support, protect, and defend
the Constitution and government
the Constitution and government
of the United States
of the United States
and of the state of Florida,
and of the state of Florida,
and the charter and laws
and the charter and laws
of the city of Clearwater,
of the city of Clearwater,
that I am duly qualified
to hold office
under the charter and laws
under the charter and laws
of the
of
city of Clearwater,
the city of Clearwater,
and that I will well and faithfully perform the duties of Chief of Police on which I'm now about to enter. Thank you, everyone. If you might indulge me for a minute, I know the agenda is packed, as is this room, so I'll be brief, but I'd be remiss if I didn't speak to a few of you today. I was thinking about it as the officers were sworn in, and you may well have witnessed a future chief of police being sworn in today, and I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm here really to provide some acknowledgments and some thanks to the mayor, to this council, the city manager, to city management, and to the community, and everyone who has supported me and allowed me to be here before you today. And for that, I thank you. I also need to thank my coworkers over the last 3 decades, my peers, and my mentors. It's guidance from these folks and little bits of information that I've gleaned along the way that has made me the person I am today. I also want to thank our community, because without the community support, law enforcement ceases to function effectively. The community determines what our mandates are. the community determines what they want us to do, and the community is a critical piece of any law enforcement community. Finally, I want to thank my Clearwater Police Department family. We've been through a lot of ups and downs over the years. We've learned from our successes and unfortunately our failures. And I think that's critical to remember, and that you can take away from all of those things and learn from them. And finally, my family. It's been an interesting 30 years. They're up for some more. And for that, I appreciate their support, unwavering. And I recall my mother being at my first swearing in over 30 years ago. And I really appreciate that level of support. So I want to provide you and the community with some assurances. Clearwater Police Department's got a reputation of being a community-oriented policing department with a lot of trust in this community and tremendous amount of community engagement. I want to assure all of you and assure this community, as I mentioned earlier, community is a critical part of what we do, and they determine our parameters. And certainly this community is critical to us, and I want to ensure the community and the council that I'll do my level best to ensure their safety. I'll do my best to ensure the safety of our officers. And I think we do that with the continued engagement, enhanced engagement, and training in a wide variety of topics for our officers, to include defensive tactics, but primarily communication. Communication is key. And in this era of vitriol and divisiveness, I think it's really important to remember that as a Clearwater Police officer and as the Clearwater Police Department, we have to remain apolitical and treat everyone the same. Thank you.
It is a public meeting. I will be there, and I will be protesting. I will be protesting before it, and I will be protesting during it, and I will be protesting after it. And I will make this day very, 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 very memorable for Eric Gandy. Because you know something, man? If I was to put my hands on you, it would have been a whole different story. But because what? You got a badge and a gun, you get to put your hands on me? Well, this is my way of getting back at you. Is saying, hey, I'm going to redress you because I don't agree with what you did, and I don't agree with what those officers did. And yeah, we're going to make this day very, 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 very memorable just for you.